I am Justinian I, born in 482 AD in Tauresium, Macedonia. I was the emperor of the Byzantine Empire from 527 AD until my death in 565 AD. During my rule, I worked hard to bring back the glory of the Roman Empire through military victories, legal changes, and big building projects. My uncle, Emperor Justin I, saw my potential and brought me to Constantinople for a proper education. When I became emperor, I aimed to make the empire great again, a mission called the restoration of the empire. One of my biggest military successes was taking back old Roman lands. My top general, Belisarius, led us to win back North Africa from the Vandals, Italy from the Ostrogoths, and parts of Spain from the Visigoths. These victories made our empire stronger and showed our power in the Mediterranean. I also made important changes to the law. I created the Corpus Juris Civilis, or the body of civil law, which organized many old Roman laws into one system. This became the basis for the legal systems in many modern European countries. Building and architecture were also important during my reign. The most famous project was the Church of Hagia Sophia in Constantinople. Designed by Isidore of Miletus and Anthemius of Tralles, it had a huge dome and beautiful mosaics. It was the largest cathedral in the world for nearly 1,000 years, and it still stands today as a symbol of Byzantine architecture. My wife, Empress Theodora, was very important to my rule. She was smart and politically skilled, helping me make decisions and fight for women's rights and social justice. Her strength was crucial during the Nika riots, which threatened our power. Her determination helped us stay in control and rebuild Constantinople. Despite my achievements, my reign had challenges. The empire suffered from the plague of Justinian, which killed many people and used up our resources. My efforts to unite the Christian Church and stop different beliefs had limited success, causing ongoing religious problems. I died of natural causes in 565 AD, after dedicating my life to growing and improving the Byzantine Empire. My legacy includes our legal, architectural, and cultural achievements, which shaped the medieval world and still influence us today. I hope to be remembered as Justinian I, the emperor who worked to restore the Roman Empire's glory. My story is one of ambition, strength, and the pursuit of greatness, showing the enduring spirit of the Byzantine Empire.